Problem 2-85. Link wants to save $87 for tickets to a rock concert. How fun. If she has $23 and will save $4 per week, how long will it take her to get enough money to buy the tickets? Define a variable and then write and solve an equation. Use the 5D process to help you if needed. Write your solution as a sentence. So this is a word problem, so we want to go back and emphasize what we're given. So we want to, Link wants to have $87 for a ticket or tickets to a rock concert. So the $87 is the math information. So that's the goal. She has, so that's important. So she has $23 now, and she's planning or saving $4 per week. So that's also important information. So we're being asked how long. So the problem is about weeks. So how long will be referring to weeks will take her to get enough money to buy the tickets. We also have to define a variable. What it means is when we use an unknown, we could say, well, let X be, so whatever that is gonna be, and we're gonna write and solve an equation. So in the 5D process, just draw the description. It was the first step. The defining is where they want us to define. So we are saying let X be something. So let the variable X represent. And in this case, it's how long. So it's going to be number of weeks. So let X be number of weeks. That's what we don't know, but we could also see why we're doing that later. So with the do is when we do the equation, a table, some kind of a process that it's going to make sense to find the missing piece. And we solve usually the equation. Decide is, well, when you have an answer, does it make sense? And declare is when you have write your solution in a sentence. So the total, so the goal is to have $87. So I'm gonna do a picture. So $87 to be the total from beginning to end. And then she starts with $23. So it's a piece that we do know. And then every week, so this will be a start. Every week she's adding $4. So $4. So visually, I'm gonna say, well, how long of those, so how long of these will take? So each one is, so this is week 0, or when at the beginning. So at week 1, she has 23 plus 4, which is $27. And remember, our goal is 87. So we could do a picture, a table, equation. So with my diagram, I could keep counting. Say this will be week 2, so add another 4, so 27 plus 4, week 3, or we want to organize that in a table. So if I do a table, I'm going to say week numbers and then total money. So at beginning is week 0, she has $23. Week 1, she has 23 plus 4 because it's per week. That's what's given away. So 23 plus 4 is 27. So I'm adding 4. Week 2 is another 4 additional. So plus 4. So that's going to be 31 and on. So I need to figure out if I keep going, which week I would have. So if I don't do dot. So I'm looking for the $87. Now they do want us to write an equation, so I'm going to use that as a total. So 87 will be our total. So looking at my picture or my expression or the table, I know that I'm starting with $27, and every week, so I already said let X be number of weeks. So how many groups of 4? So 4x equals, so in groups of 4, and then 87. So I was gonna write 84. So we want 87. So that will be my equation. So 4 groups of x. Now, if you are talking about a pattern, the pattern is counting by 4, so it's a linear pattern. So if you recorded, sorry, let's see, undo. So if you recorded 4x first plus 27 second equals 87, that's also accurate. So your job is now to solve the equation. I also realized that I wrote 27, but the beginning is 23. So I'm gonna go back and fix my mistake. So I apologize for that. So I'm just gonna use a red mark. 23 is the beginning. So I have it in both places. So to solve the equation, I'm gonna subtract 23 from both sides. And I also see it in the picture. If I already know this piece, I can remove it. So let's see. Highlight that. So if you remove it from here, you're not going to have 87. You have to remove it from there as well. So I balanced the equation. So I have 4x is equal to, and then you have to subtract. So 4x equals 64, and then you would divide by 4. So show work. I'm just saying it out loud. Go ahead and show work to find x. So divide by 4 both sides. So this is where we're here, we do. Now, once you find your x, now you're on the next step. Decide if it makes sense. For example, if you found x to be like 4, that will be like week 4. That's not gonna make sense to have $87 because I figured that week 4 it's very close to like $40 or even not even that. So it has to be reasonable. If you have like 100, would that make a difference? Like 100 times 4 is 400, so that's gonna be a ridiculous answer. So we decide if our answer makes sense, or you can check your work by substitution, and then the last step is declare. When you're declaring, basically you go back to the directions. It says write your solution as a sentence. In this case, it says how long would it take, and you already found that on your own after you check.